Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my marble run with roller tracks. And last time I ended up focusing on one of the motors which doesn't really want to run. Well, the motor itself runs, but with the chain that is on it, it won't. Apart from that, some conflicting adventures with another tool, RoboPro, and hopefully some more results also with communication. Continuing from last time with the radio frequency data link, but without any results on the lower track, right here. It's not much use that those roller tracks are running. So let's go to the screencast and see whatever I can fix or not. Screencast that is, and then some things. Obviously the camera view on the thing that is least important right now, which is the main first motor, which for some reason had stopped. Right. Then the decoder, the terminal with which I shoot run the decoder, which is not a race. Why does it work? Because of the diagnostics interface. Then you also see RoboPro, which is very interesting. I upgraded it recently and it does work with the Robo interface, but there are some quirks. And this is the camera which will be fully shown for paying viewers. So paying means either just buying it from Patreon or Ko-fi, or if you are a patron and a member via Ko-fi, you can watch it. But that comes later on in the segment for the paying viewers. Then let me first shut it down, because I use this for the 16-second short, and that is quite right. Interesting thing with RoboPro, I upgraded it. The former version didn't want to detect the Robo interface, which is this thing right here. Right here. New version does, and then it gets a bit of annoying. I can use both. However, for some reason, these two interfere. So I have to, for this one to work on the Robo interface, I have to change context. Oh, and close this interface. Yeah. Then silence them all. And then say, for instance, okay. So this is also interesting. Why isn't it doing it now? All right. Once again, environment is correct. Test. Everything slow. All right. And this motor is the motor that is entirely here, the lower track motor. Now I have to be careful. And I hear a motor whine. I can't figure out which one though. Okay, this is motor 3, obviously. Okay, there goes one marble, very fine. Yeah, and that is not nice. I have to relocate the camera because these are the lower track. Can you watch it, by the way, if I put the camera up? I do think so. Yeah, you can see them. Okay. Yeah, I already had that one. Right, so this does work. However, change environment. Now it's for the TXT, which I don't use in this experiment, in this project. Open. Now, because of the data link in use, I use this one. It doesn't do a thing. Once more, open. Data link. Okay. I then close it. It frees the entire system. I open it again, although that shouldn't even be necessary. But apparently it is. Open the interface. Yeah. So RoboPro and diagnostics do work together, or do work both, but they are interfering. Why that is, I don't know. Seems logical on one hand, but on the other hand, just annoying. All right. Rest of the focus. The motor right here with this chain. Last time I tried these two motors, or well, these are not motors, these are gearboxes. The motor without the gearbox works fine. So with the gearbox on it, it works fine too. But then again, what's the matter? So yeah, right, that is the shift here. And that is maximum velocity. While when I do this, speed 1, no problem. Then I go here, speed 1, no problem. Why do I have to maintain full speed here? It doesn't, there's no logic in it. There's so much force needed to get this motor running. I don't get it. And that is it for now. Thank you for watching. Some small reconstruction, some diagnostics on motor and chain, and why roller tracks don't work or do work. an experiment with just another motor and possible solutions. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel. Give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Please leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can see everything in the full video, and you can, if you are already a member, then via Patreon or Ko-fi, then thank you very much. Otherwise, you can support via just donating via PayPal, Ko-fi, or buy me a coffee, or becoming a patron, or a member via Ko-fi, or buy one via Patreon and buy the video via Patreon and Ko-fi. Thank you so much. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.